primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpo assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração.
Hi guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video and wanting to watch it. My name is Adobe Okonkwo Bakporo. I am a Nigerian content creator who makes videos about productivity, lifestyle, and just living my best life. If that's something that interests you, then definitely consider subscribing and joining the family. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life. Today, I have a bunch of activities happening, so I might actually make it a few days, who knows. But for today, we're going to be going to the DMV to get our driver's license updated. So if you guys don't know, or if you're new to this channel, we relocated from Minnesota last year May to Dallas, Texas, and since then we haven't gotten our Texas ID. So that's what we're going to be going to do today, and I am looking forward to it. And of course, the one I had before, I'll show you what it looks like, but I wasn't looking that great. Anytime I would go to the airport, they would literally like, is this you? So now I want to look more myself, so I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, light lip gloss on my lips, and then we'll start heading out. So let's go. Okay, so when it comes to makeup, I like to have my face as simple as I can make it. Because I'm not going to be spending the whole day outside, I'm going to just go straight to foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using this brush, the Real Technique brush in RT 200, and then I'm going to be using my favorite foundation of all times, the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and this shade is in Caracas. I like to mix it with this light concealer, and I think this shade is in Mid Dark 1.5. Oh, my eyes was literally crossed because it's so tiny. So that is what I'm going to be using. So I like to mix it because this is sometimes a little bit too dark, and I find that it gets darker as the day goes by. So I already applied sunscreen, so usually would use a beauty blender, but since I started going the brush route, now time for contour. And for contouring, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place in shade Namibia. I so love this brush technique. Can you see how flawless my makeup looks? Like, it's really eating. And for blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty blush. I'm going to use the brush that I used to contour. Just press it in, and I'm going to take it to my temples as well. See what I told you about the foundation. So you definitely want to go like one shade lighter because it does oxidize, and then once it does that, your face just looks dark. Now imagine if I had used my exact shade. I want a little bit more blush, so, and you can always like reinforce it with a powder blush, but I don't know, I like the blush that blends with my foundation, concealer, everything. So the only thing though is that this place is bad. Like sometimes they use like a bad camera, so deliberately your pictures, whether you do makeup or you don't do makeup, you still look a little bit weird. Okay, I think that is pretty much everything, and then my lip gloss is already down, so I love applying lip glosses. That's what I'm going to apply, and everything looks snatched. Just Aurora leggings, workout leggings, and then this is Lululemon something top. Use this perfume today. You know when you look good and you know it, it's like that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm gonna put on some earrings so that it offsets. I don't know if I should pack it up. No, let's leave. I feel like I should straighten it a little bit, but do not have the patience right now. I think we got everything that we need. So title, vehicle title is in there, my passport, my ID, my SSN card, insurance card. Should we check our mailbox to see if we have one of those loan things, or do you have it there? Then my AirPod, and then this is the bag that I'm going to be going with, just because AirPod, I have to figure out where to put this one. I can put it here. Leggings is from Amazon. It's called the Aurora leggings. High quality, highly recommend. I don't wear anything else. And then the top is from Lululemon. A bag is from Amazon for my camera. So that's why I'm carrying this. Yeah, that's pretty much outfit for the day. I'm going to be going with water because you guys, everywhere is really hot here. Maybe we might be making a quick stop at UPS. I want to make a return, a drop off. But yeah, I'm loving outfit for the day. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Headed to the DMV to get our IDs done. Hopefully my picture comes out nice this time because it's so frustrating. Have a picture, an ID where they have to ask you, is this you? You look so different. Are you okay? You know. Hopefully this makeup comes out looking nice in the picture. So we'll see about that. And yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. Hey guys, so we just got to this is not DMV. This is the DMV, it's a driver's license. Okay, driver's license office. We're gonna go in now. I'm just packing up my stuff just in case they don't allow us like use the camera and stuff, you know. Just got out of the DMV. We found out that we're unable to get it done today because apparently we need to book an appointment before we come. The next available appointment is not until August 14th is our next the next available date. But we're gonna check tomorrow though. They do have same day slots open up around 7:15 to 8:50. So we already missed today's opportunity. I am so sad because I literally did this gorgeous makeup, wore my earring, dressed for the part, and wanted to take a good picture. So right now we're going to go to UPS to do a drop off, and then from there we're going to be going to Osuma Suya to get some suya, chicken suya, regular beef suya, some shawarma because that's what I'm really craving right now. I am so excited though. Tomorrow some new episodes of The Double is going to be out just because I absolutely love that Chinese drama. It's literally so good. I highly recommend if you haven't watched it already. Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina, doce Bahia. Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria, doce Bahia. Guys, this is my little shrub. This one's green peas. This habanero pepper. This is an onion that started growing in my pantry. I just put it in here. I probably should have put more soil there. Those are spinach and they're growing so freaking well. And then this is habanero pepper that I got from this thing. But as you can see, it looks like I need to add more soil and bury it even more deeper. I love how well these are growing. Like the pepper is the most exciting for me. I think I'm gonna put some tomatoes. Once I cut some tomatoes, I'll just put them there and plant them. But they're growing well, they're growing healthy. I had planted some potatoes, but it literally grew just one extra potato, and the potato was like very wrinkly. So I'm like, this is not edible. But and this is our yard. I stopped by and got some boba tea. Let me show you the other things that I got. My pencil sharp now. And then this for my basically this one is actually too big. Let's put it over. No, this is too big. Then you basically just spread it. Definitely too big. But I see it working though. So once you spread it out, you just use another rubber band. And boom, now we have a big knot on the head. I think I like this. This is super cute. we are ready. We're gonna start heading to Osuma Suya because I'm so famished. We're gonna be getting shawarma, some chicken suya, beef suya as well. I'm trying to figure out, like, think about what I'm going to cook that we're going to eat with those things. I think jollof rice will be needed, so I don't have fresh tomatoes anymore. So I think I'll be stopping by Aldi to get fresh tomatoes and maybe a file holder. Probably Walmart might be the best place to get that, but yeah, that's pretty much the game plan. I am going to go take some. You know what? I think I'll just go to Walmart. We are ready and we're going to be heading out. I would be stopping by Walmart to buy some tomatoes so I can make jollof rice because I feel like jollof rice goes really well with suya poultry. So that's what I'm going to be making, and then I'll be getting a folder just to pack up my stuff. Yeah, I am super excited. See you guys once we get to Osman's here.
Monthly payments.
Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa. Deixa que o carinho seja o beijo de uma flor. Desde
Thank you. They said no
pequenininho que eu
cash accepted.
sei que o
Why?
amor é
Maybe they scammed them
cura.
before.
Amolece a dor, ingratidão.
All the world
Desde
was stopping. I was
pequenininho
not
que eu
recording.
sei que o amor perdura. Basta ter carinho e compreensão.
Just stopped at Walmart to get some tomatoes that I can use to make jollof rice, and then get a folder to just document my stuff for the DMV. I'm gonna flip the camera now so you guys can see.
Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpão assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpão assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, com olhos de leoa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpão assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Um corpo assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Um corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar um beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca.
I woke up at 5 a.m. and I just started cleaning. Yeah, the house was really dirty. The dishes were, you guys saw now, so I had to just wake up in the morning. I think I'm most productive in the morning, so that's why I decided to do it. And now it is literally, I think, 6 something, and I still have plenty of time to finish editing one video. Then I'll go and shower and prepare to go to the gym. I have to remember to book an appointment to get our ID done. I think the portal opens at 7:15, so we'll see. In the meantime, I'm going to be planting some tomatoes in my nursery bed. So this is what I have as of now. So I don't know if I showed you guys. I think I showed you guys yesterday. So this is habanero pepper. I need to pour more soil or bury it deeper so that the stem can stand. These are green peas. These are habanero pepper, and then these leaves behind are, so that's kale. This is habanero pepper. This is green peas. This is habanero pepper. So I'm going to do another line here and plant tomatoes. So let's do that.
Corpo assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, com olhos de leoa. Te quero dar um beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina,